Also, one of the other good things with this car is if you go to your iTunes, if you just click on the bottom there, you'll see BT Radio is highlighted. So if I turn that up and go back to the tune, click the tune, which is Sam Stray Woods, and I had the pleasure of meeting her last week and actually videoing her for a little project that's going on in Russia, and this is one of her records. I'll just turn this on, and then we'll go to source, input aux, and then onto. So that's Sam playing. So you've got audio streaming. Now, sometimes it doesn't automatically come on, and what you have to do there, your tunes, click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles, and it's not showing. So into menu, into Bluetooth, Bluetooth configurations, connect disconnecting equipment, down to audio streaming, click OK, click on your phone, and then here we go, click on there, streaming Barry's iPhone 10 connected. We go back, and there we go, it's on. It's a little bit complicated to do it that way. I don't think it used to be like that. I think you probably have to do it that way since the new update on the iPhone. So, but that's how you do it anyway.